How to access Snapchat data after request. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. To access your Snapchat data, first and foremost, launch a Snapchat application. Make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now once you are logged in, tap on your Bitmoji option, which is at the very top. Select the setting gear option in your right hand side at the very top. Scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of My Data. Now first and foremost, I'm teaching you how you can get access to your Snapchat data, so follow along. Tap on My Data, which is at the bottom. Now in here, you can select what data that you actually want to retrieve from your account. Mind it will take a while, which means that it can take 2 to 3 days. In here, make sure that the export HTML file is toggled on. Now to select what data that you want to download, just tap on the circle for tick mark or tap off the tick mark. Select the date range to which you want to export your data. Now once you have successfully selected the date, just tap on submit. Now as you can see, it has given me the date the data will be processed completely. Now on to the next step. To access your Snapchat data after the succession of the request, you will receive an email from Snapchat. In there, you will see a link. Tap on the link. Now when you tap on the link, it will redirect you to a new page where you can download the file that is prepared. Once it is successfully downloaded, you can get access to it in the location that you decided. Now when you tap open, you will see the selected data that you wanted. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.